Oh yeah, we look like Filipino nah. Yang ni syak khot baik kinong Philippines, syak keren Philippines baik. Yeah. From India.
Oh.
India. Ya, setengah bak keli yang ni. Dan bak ikut pada kini bikin susu lah. Lah keli. Ini fresh senpai Philippines terai. Chicken
and bull soup.
bowl soup.
Okay.
One order. Bulalo.
Yeah,
Bowl.
yeah. Oh, no. Only soup. Only soup. Not the meat. Ada. Jar tidak lumbah kum do lenong baik.
Ja, Dang la wan kai sini mana ban ya.
Oh, ban India ada dang masa. Sini.
Ini dokter ja, ram soup, dok soup.
Dok seruah. Dok bung.
Dok seruah.
Di basmat ban pam dok bung. Di dawan sini em juga baik.
Sama dok bung ni.
One, how much one plate? 100. Then Sarawak ya?
Jangan.
Okay, ma'am. Only one.
Oh ini.
I have. Aman. Do you have like tea?
Did you first time here in Philippines?
Yeah, first time.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Thank you. Sapi ya, yang buromba tu yang ni.
Ya paro.
Yang ni. Kinong sini kilong friendly ba. Jadi ai usit seruan dok bung.
Oh, semang. Macam.
Ya dai ba ban ngi kasih. Ya dai ba ban ngi kasih te. Ngày này, thầu ngày này sạc bộ bữa này cục pro lại, làm mày luôn, các bạn. Ni kasih tu dawan sana tu, imat bangi day sembai nong Philippines dan ni nong Philippines kita sembai kasih. Kita tahu, dia kecil baru kembang.
Ini seruan dok bung. Nasi. Dokter ja. Seruan.
Kan batang kau ada piwat syah tu kena dia. Abang itu seruan banyak.
Kana ngurang pala do. Tuan pala.
Dia tahu kan.
Ini dah siap.
Dia mau
Nak pedik.
kedap pedik. Kilain apa lah hal. Pedih lah.
Pedik saya
Kata sungai.
Kata sini baru sini.
Kata sungai. Kata sungai.
Kata sini baru sini bang air.
Bang, How much? Yeah. Cheese Pak Andrukau. Ah, ni lah ketang bahasa cheese Pak Andrukau. Okay. Very nice, huh? It's good for the stomach.
This is your first day?
Yes, first day. First day in Manila. This is our second
So
day.
how the Philippines?
Philippines is very good. Very good. The food is very good. Very perfect. Perfect. Not only very good, very perfect.
But I want to taste pani puri.
Pani puri.
Yeah, I want to taste it.
You like it?
No, but I want to taste it someday.
Oh, you haven't tasted?
No.
There's no pani puri here in the
No,
Philippines.
no, no.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Maybe one day you can go to India and taste the pani
I
puri.
hope. I hope so.
Yeah, yeah.
Then I
It's very
find you.
tasty.
I
Very
find you when I'm in
Yeah,
India.
yeah. But India is very big, no? Very big. India is very big, no? Very large.
Wow. Like Philippines.
No, like Philippines, but we are not from mainland India, no? We are the northeastern parts. That's why we look alike with like Filipino, no? We look
Yeah.
alike, facial appearance.
Yeah.
We are not from
Because-
mainland India.
we have a same color.
Yeah, same color. Same facial appearance, no?
Yeah. Thank you so
Nice
much.
to meet you.